Oh, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And today we have our Eden irrigation set. So these type of sprinklers are the rotor sprinklers. I actually reviewed something like this. It was actually first couple videos that I did. I will probably post it in the description in case you want to see it, but that video actually did pretty good. You know, a lot of viewers, a lot of people, it helped out a lot of people, and I hope this video will help out a lot of people. So in this, get 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. It's easy. You just twist it on. If you want to put some Teflon tape on there or plumber's tape, you can do that to have a better seal. Right here you have your spike. The spike will go in the ground 6 inches in the ground, so it has its own on and off valve. And right here you put the irrigation hose in and you tighten it up, and that's it with that. To put in the other side, you have to loosen this, or if you want to cap it off, right here it says stop. So that means you twist this all the way to the righty, and then it stops. You're not going nowhere else. But if you want to put another sprinkler on, you have to take this side off, and we are going to get into that because I'm going to just do like one cut. All right, right here it looks like we have a T, and we just have one T. Here we look like we have a connector to connect to the hose right here. Okay, you guys, so it looks like this comes with 4 extensions, so you can actually extend this higher if you want to. All right, so you're gonna have 6 inches in the ground, right? So if you put the extension on, you will have 9 inches above ground. So this will be 9 inches above ground if you have the extension on. So I'm gonna put all 4 extensions on, and then we could get into the rest of it. Okay, you guys, so we got all 4 extensions on. This T, there's only one T that comes in. You hook this T on the bottom of your spigot so you can go one direction. So maybe you have a garden this direction of your house, you want to go that way. You have a garden this direction, you want to go that way. So that's what this T is for. So this does 32 foot in diameter. All right, so this is the piece that goes with the set, and I'm going to put it on here. All right, so that squeezes on right there. Give me 1 second, you guys. Squeeze that on as tight as you can get it, because you do not want the water pressure to pop it open. And as simple as that. That is as simple as that gets when it's come time to hook it up. And now I'm just going to stretch this out. From what I see in the camera is a lot of glare. Hopefully there's not a lot of glare when I actually upload this thing. Now for the fun. Well, not all the way fun yet, but you unscrew this part. Oh, not all the way. Stick your hose in. Like I said, make sure you try to push as far as possible, because if you don't, these things will pop off. All right, we got it hooked up right here. Now, like I said, if you want to go to another sprinkler, you have to cut this, obviously, and go to your other sprinkler. All right, you guys, one thing I want to say is the hose is not really that hard. I thought it would be more hard to unwind, but the hose was actually flexible. I use this scissors tool right here, so that way I have a straight cut. Take this part off. So I took the end cap off. Let me go ahead and put this on here like so. Make sure you tight, and then tighten this up tight as possible so that way it don't pop off. That's it for that. Let me hook this side up here, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Now what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna do the 13 foot, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of slack just in case I need to move it around just a little bit. I don't want it too tight. I'm going to make the cut right now. I'm not breathing. All right, let's go ahead, take it off. This is going to be quick. I'm about to hook all of them up. I'm gonna stop bull crapping around. All right, so I want my off and on this side, all the way in, and tighten as tight as possible, you guys. All right, we're at our 13 mark. So I think the 13 foot is pretty good. I think you could have went 15 foot, you know, but I'm happy. I'm happy of where I went as far as this goes. All right, yeah, I can feel the water right here. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. Once again, I got 80 PSI. So double check your PSI so you can know. Right now, I'm a good 12 foot away and I am getting hit by water. All right, you guys, so we have those 3 sprinklers out there. I have the one right here with me. I'm gonna turn the valve off and let's see the pressure. So the pressure did kick out some, and you heard that. So I'm gonna cut it back on. You see it went down, I'm gonna cut it off. Then you see it shoots back up.